The sun's mass is mainly composed of hydrogen.
The second main constituent of the sun's mass is helium. Humidity plays an important role in determining the hottest temperature the human body can tolerate. Transformers are used to change alternating current voltage levels. Metamorphic rocks are formed when continental plates collide with each other. Rocks formed when magma or lava cools on Earth's surface are called igneous rocks. The amount of sunlight on the surface of the Earth varies because of the Earth's axial tilt. About 70% of world's freshwater reserves are frozen in the continent of Antarctica.
25 miles is the approximate average thickness of the Earth's continental crust. According to the scientists, there are 100 billion galaxies in the universe. About 40 C is the maximum temperature that the human skin can endure without getting blisters. Plasma is the most abundant form of matter in the universe. 99.9% energy entering Earth's atmosphere is from the sun. Deficiency of vitamin D results in rickets. During winter in cold countries, the salt is mixed to melt the ice on the icy roads.
The planet that moves round the sun at the highest speed is Mercury. Oxidation is a chemical reaction involving the loss of electron. The position of an element in the periodic table is determined by its proton number. At night, the land cools faster than the water in the sea. When existing rocks are subject to high pressures and temperatures and transformed without significant melting, they are called metamorphic rocks. The axis of rotation of the Earth is tilted by approximately 23.44 degrees. Antarctica is the continent of the world, is the driest and the windiest. Oceans play the most important role in regulating temperature and determining climate on the Earth. In plants, the process of pollination enables fertilization. Amylase enzyme catalyzes the hydrolysis of starch into sugars. Blood is a kind of tissue. The most abundant element in the Earth's crust is oxygen. Each day, human body breathe in 15,000 to 20,000 liters of air. For a fixed mass of gas at constant temperature, if we decrease volume, the pressure will increase. The lifespan of red blood cells is 120 days. The density of water is 1 gram per cubic centimeter. Radioactivity was discovered by Henry Becquerel. The sun's mass is mainly consist of hydrogen, about 73%. The second main constituent, about 25%, is helium. The SI unit of pressure is Pascal.
The most densest substance on the Earth is osmium. A camera uses a convex lens to form an image. Siang stands for compressed natural gas. Sound cannot travel through a vacuum. When white light is passed through a prism, it splits into 7 colors. Instrument used for measuring very high temperature is pyrometer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.